Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Nate. Welcome to our channel once more. And if you have always watched this video, I'm sure you've been learning. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video even after you have watched the video. Welcome to our lessons today, and I'd like to tell you that today we continue from where we stopped last week, and I believe we learned a lot in our last class. Last time we learned how to launch the Microsoft Paint application. We learned how to use the Paint application to draw simple shapes. We also learned to color some of these shapes. We're going to continue from there today, and in today's class I'll teach you how to draw a few object. We will learn how to draw the traffic lights. We would also learn how to draw a house and color it. I believe at the end of this lesson you'll be able to draw other shapes or other objects from simple to complex. So let's start the class right away. So the first thing I want us to do is to launch the Paint application. I taught you how to launch the Paint application last time. So can you do that for me? I'd like you to launch the Paint application for me right away. So I'm waiting. Okay, so let me just show you again how to launch the Paint application. Like I would always say, go to the Start button, locate and let's click the Start button and type the word Paint, P-A-I-N-T, Paint. Now when you click the Paint application, the Paint icon will pop up, and then you select the Paint application. From there you can start your designs. Before we start drawing our different shapes, let me quickly highlight some of the things we drew last week. We learned to draw the oval shape. So this is the oval shape. Yes. We also learned to draw the rectangle shape. This is the rectangle shape. With this rectangle you can also draw a square. You can draw a rounded rectangle. We call it a rounded rectangle because it has rounded edges. You can draw a triangle. You can draw a right triangle. Although we didn't draw all of these last week, we only drew a few of them. You can draw a diamond shape. You can draw the pentagon shape. You can also draw the 5-point star shape. So you can draw as many as possible shapes. So far you can see them here. If you don't see the shapes you are looking for, you can also click this icon. You see other shape. You see the love. This is the heart shape. The heart shape. Now we also learned how to color some of these shapes, and then we use the fill with color bucket. All you need to do is to select the fill with color bucket. You fill with your color of your choice. You select the color. I'll select this first color, the dark red. I'll click. I'll go and select the red color. I'll come to the object or the shape. I'll left click. I'll go to the next color. I'll pick the orange color. I'll go to the next shape. I'll left click. I'll pick the next color. I can pick pink. Left click. I can pick blue, left click on the shape. I can pick purple, left click on the shape. I could pick green, left click on the shape. I could pick the color yellow, left click on the shape. I could pick the color brown, left click on the shape. I can pick the color light blue or lemon, lime, left click. And that is basically how to draw and color different objects. So I'm just going to open a new document or a new document, and then let's start all over again. But this time around, I want us to draw something else. I want us to draw the traffic lights. So to draw the traffic lights, I'll select my rectangle shape, and then I'll come to the drawing area here. I'll hold down my left click, and then I will drag my mouse until I get the right shape that I want. I'll drag the mouse then I'll drop. I've gotten my right shape. Then the next thing is, let me do that again. I'll select the rectangle shape. I'll come to my drawing area, hold down my left click, drag my mouse while I am still holding down my left click. I'll drag and then I'll drop. Now I have the shape I want. Let me do that again. I'll move to the rectangle shape, select the rectangle shape, come to the drawing area, hold down my left click, and then I'll drag my mouse or my trackpad till I get the desired shape that I want. Then I will drop. Then the next thing is, I like to use the oval shape. I'll click the oval shape, I'll come into the rectangle shape here, I will draw my circle. I'll click the oval shape again. I want to draw another circle. I'll try as much as possible to ensure that it is the same. I will try as much as possible to ensure that my shapes are the same. Then I'll draw the third one, my oval shape. I'll draw the third one, my oval shape. Yeah. Then the next thing is, I will just fill with color. Pick the fill with color. Now I'll fill with the red first color, which is the red, and the red means stop. I can pick the next color, which is the yellow, fill with yellow, which means get ready. The next thing is, I'll pick the green color, and then I'll fill, which means go. And then I could just fill the whole space with black, the background with black. That's my traffic light. Then I could just draw like a stand for the traffic lights. I'll still use the rectangle shape to draw the stand for the traffic light. Pick my fill with buckets and fill. And that is how to draw a traffic light. This time around, I want to teach us how to draw a house quickly. Please, I'm going to do it once. If you don't understand it, you can pause this video, you can replay the video. I'm sure you'll learn how to do it yourself. So I'll pick the triangle shape. I will draw a big triangle here. And then I'll pick the rectangle shape. I will try as much as possible to stay under the triangle. And then I'll draw this rectangle shape. The next thing is, I'll pick the rectangle shape again. Then I will draw the door. This is looking more like a house, right? I'll still pick the rectangle shape. And then I'll try to draw something that looks like a window. Then I'll pick the line tool. I'll draw this window. I will draw a line across the window. So this looks like my window. And then the next thing is, I like to draw like a chimney over the house. So this is my chimney. Then the next thing I want to do is to color the house. So I'll pick my brown color. I want to use brown for the roof. Or let me use black for the roof. Black, black, black. And then I want to color the house, the door, blue, the windows, blue, 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 and then the house, pink. You can see my beautiful house. Now, this is how to draw a house, and this is how to draw a traffic light. I'm sure you all have learned something tangible today. Please use these shapes to draw other interesting things that you can think of. Okay, do you understand? This brings us to the end of today's class. Hope you all enjoyed today's class. If you enjoyed today's class, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye for now.